Okay, today is the Chinese course day 37, should be. Yeah, so today is Tuesday. I've got a couple of days left and then I'm finished. I'm very, very happy with the fact that I've actually made it this far, and that I've been able to persist with it. There have been like some really, really tough days. And like when I say tough days, I mean days where not necessarily where I don't want to have class, but like where the class is kind of like it's like you're fighting, like the atmosphere is made of mud. Like your brain is just really struggling on those days. Yeah, you get just like high performance and low performance days. So yeah, I have had those low performance days, and I've gone through them. So yeah, I still have what is it, 5 days left? Yeah, Sunday will be my last day. Um, yeah, my writing is improving a lot. I am making like some small, kind of like obvious mistakes. For example, like when they ask me a question, and I have to write a paragraph of about 300 characters for it. I'm not exactly answering the question. My Chinese teacher pointed out like sometimes I don't answer the question. I divert the question. So, for example, yesterday the question was, for the homework. The question was, what kind of gifts do you like to receive? And I went on a tangent about how I don't like to give or receive any like actual gifts, because of like the social pressure that it puts on me, and yeah, that is a whole story for another day. But the point is, I didn't actually answer the question. The question was, what type of gift do you like to receive? So it was kind of unnecessary to go on the tangent about why I don't actually like the giving and getting gifts thing. So yeah, other than that, everything is pretty smooth. Like we've gone through some more practice today, where they give you like the words and then you put the words in the right order. We've done. What else have we done? We've done. Um, yeah, the ones where they give you sentences and you have to put the sentences in the right order. And yeah, there are small grammar issues, things like that. My spoken Chinese, like it's difficult for me to quantify if it's good or not, but I think it's good enough. Today, I had a conversation with a delivery guy on the phone, and he was telling me on the phone like, "Oh, your Chinese is so good. How long have you, how long have you been in China?" Which is funny because that's usually the questions you get when you like meet someone face to face. But yeah, it was quite interesting to see. Even like on the phone, the guy was like, "Oh, this is really good." But that means like he must have known somehow that I'm a foreigner, which could have been from seeing my name on the delivery invoice, or just my accent. I'm not sure if it could have been an accent thing because there are a lot of accents in China, and it would be difficult to know exactly that this person is a foreigner instead of like just from a smaller region. So yeah. Other than that, everything's been good. I just came from the gym, had a good session at the gym. Yeah, pretty much sorting out most of the stuff on my art project side. Yeah, so 5 days left, and yeah, I am so ready for this to be over. I'm really. It's been a tough 6 weeks. I've done it. If I look back at like all the work and effort that I've put into this, I'm pretty proud of myself. Um, yeah, and I will have to do something to rest over this those 2 days before I go back to my job, back to teaching. So yeah, next week Wednesday I will start the new year and the new semester. So yeah, the new year and like the new school year. So yeah, um, I feel good about I feel good about this decision because I've achieved the goal that I set out for this 6 weeks, which was finish the first HSK six book. So finish the first book and improve my spoken Chinese, which has increased a lot. Definitely a lot better than what it was. Um, I'm a lot more confident with it, and I'm a lot more fluid when I'm speaking, so that's good. So all in all, do I regret it so far? Well, like this close pretty much to the end. No, I don't. I'm the type of person like 6 weeks of not doing something would have driven me crazy. So if I was to sit at home for 6 weeks and like even if I just had like one lesson a day, it would have driven me or one lesson a week, it would have driven me completely insane. I couldn't do that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I guess that's the end for today. Cheers.